Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I'm going to take you along with me while organizing my backpack for Back to School 2021. If you want to see some more school videos, I have a full playlist right here. It will also be linked down below. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my new channel, ILVA Craft Shorts. It will also be linked down below. Go check it out. So I'm going back to school in a few days. So today I'm very excited to organize my backpack. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is decorating my backpack. As you know, this is my backpack. It's actually in a very pretty color because it's my favorite color. And I've been seeing a lot on Pinterest, some girls that embroider their backpacks. And I really wanted to try this trend. So first of all, I sketched my design by pencil on the backpack. And before sketching it on the backpack, I also did the design on a sketchbook so I could understand what I really wanted. I decided to use some black thread and also some white thread because in the color that the backpack is, I don't think that any other colors would look good. So I've separated this thread in 3x3 strings. Then I put it in a needle and then I started embroidering. This activity takes a long time. It took me around 2 to 3 hours, but I'm honestly very happy with the results. It gave the backpack a new identity and I'm actually very happy and glad that I tried this trend. In this backpack, I added a bunch of doodles and other drawings that I really like. For example, Tata, pause, leaves, my name, music notes, dripping paint, and all stuff like that I really like. And of course, I forgot cats. I also included cats. I love cats. So you can definitely find a lot of inspiration in Instagram or Pinterest. Honestly, I really like this activity. I also tried to do a mini money pouch by embroidering it, and I will show it later on the video. That was very fun too. And also, I highly recommend this activity if you're bored and if you want to upgrade your backpack. After finishing with the black thread, I decided to add some sparkles and some other details by using the white thread, and the backpack is done. Honestly, I am obsessed with it so much. I will definitely try this on other pouches or backpacks that I have. It honestly turned out so good and I just love it so much because it has all my favorite doodles, and how can I be mad at it? The next category are my textbooks. As you can see, I decided to wrap all my textbooks in this red with white circles wrap, and to be honest, they're very boring and all the same. So I decided to add a special detail to them so I can label them after. As you can see, I wanted to decorate them with BT21 characters. You guys know how much I love these characters. They are so cute and I'm obsessed with the results. As you can see, I printed out the BT21 characters and the BT21 baby characters, both of them. And if you don't have a printer, that's okay. You can also draw your favorite characters or doodles. These aren't hard to draw, and I just googled BG21 in black and white, printed them out, and now I'm coloring them by using some colored markers. And as you can see, I also printed some titles for each subject. I just googled, for example, geography and calligraphy. Yeah, that rhymed. And yeah, there were so many cute titles, but you can also pick a font that you like. So here I'm cutting all of them up. For this video, I didn't show all of my textbooks. I only show 3 of them. But after the video, I also decorated the other books with the other characters. For this one, I only decided to use RJ, Mang, and Cookie. And I honestly really love these characters. And I highly recommend to decorate your textbooks because it just looks cuter and maybe you will enjoy studying more. Here I am getting my textbook. The first one is the physics textbook, and by using some glue I decided to stick cookie on it, the grown cookie, because the baby one I'm going to use it for another project. I also stick the title on it just like this, and I repeated the same process on the other books, and honestly I love it so much. I also have a little tip. If you see that the photos are sticking out, then definitely use some clear tape to just protect it and also keep it from not falling. As you can see here, I messed up the geography with physics, but I managed to fix that real quick. And here are all of them. Honestly, I'm in love. I feel like they look so adorable. I highly recommend to decorate them with characters that you like and that make you happy. I'll definitely do this all the other years. For the next category, I am decorating my plain notebooks. So here I have 3 pieces of colored paper in purple, orange, and pink, and I'm folding them in half. I use the same method in one of my videos. It's this one right here, decorating my boarding school supplies. It will also be linked down below if you want to check it out. This one is in orange, but it goes so well with the background, so maybe you didn't notice it. Yes. So yeah. And now here are my BT21 babies. I'm gonna stick all of them in each paper. I decided to stick Mung on the purple one, and just to add an extra detail, I decided to add a purple border, but you can definitely add other doodles or lettering or other stuff. Off the camera, I drew so many other stuff on these pieces of paper. I had so much fun and they turned out so adorable. Also wrote my name, and off camera I wrote the subject and other details like that. Oh my gosh, I love this RJ so much. It's so cute, and it's even on my favorite color. I love this notebook so much. And last but not least, I sticked cookie on a pink piece of paper. Here are 3 of them all finished, and now all you need are your notebooks that you're gonna put on each of them. And of course you're gonna need some plastic kind of, I don't know, like protectors, just to protect it and keep it more neat. And we're basically done. It turned out so adorable. I honestly love this notebook so much. I did the same thing with the other subjects, and I'm so happy with the results. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And here, as you can see, I always put the specific notebook on the specific subject. For the next category, I'm gonna organize my pencil case. This is the one that I'm using this year. It's really cute. It has sequences. It has sequence, I don't know how you say it, all over it, and it's in pink and blue. And I'm also gonna show you what I keep on my pencil case. First, I am adding in this blue pen, this black gold pen. It's actually super adorable. I love it. A pink highlighter, small highlighters in yellow, orange, and pink. A black pen. I usually use this for bullet journaling. It's so good. Some extra pencils, an eraser and a sharpener at the same time in the shape of a popsicle. I love it so much, so cute. My glue stick, a correction pen, this other blue pen, I use this for journaling, my scissors, a ruler, a mechanical pencil which is in silver and purple. It's actually so adorable, I love it. And also this other black pen, it's actually so good. I bought it lately and I'm obsessed with it. And last but not least, a black eraser. This eraser is the best, it's actually so good. And this is everything that I will keep in my pencil case. It fits everything so well and I'm so happy. So here I'm showing some extra stuff that I will be keeping on my backpack. This is a folder and it helps me a lot to organize my homework and other papers that I have laying around, so I highly recommend to get a folder. Next, I always keep with me my bullet journal or a planner, and in this small pouch that I did on my BTS school supplies, go check it out, link down below. I will be keeping some sticky notes with cats, this heart-shaped sticky notes, 2 bookmarks with Koya and Tata, this Tata notebook to keep notes, and a small washi tape in orange. And after closing it up, I also decided to add my new Shuki keychain that I did on that video. Go check it out, you guys. And this is everything extra that I will be keeping on my big pouch of my backpack. And now I'm gonna show you some other stuff that I will be keeping on my small pouch of my backpack. First of all, as I promised you guys, I'm showing you the embroidered money pouch. It's actually so cute. I did it myself. I had a lot of fun doing it and I'm so happy with the results. Next, I'm keeping this small red bag where I keep some hair ties or hair clips. A hand sanitizer. I'll be also keeping a mask, that's very important. A mini notebook to take my notes. And also my keys. This is everything that I will be keeping on my backpack. Now let's go and put them inside my backpack. So first of all, I wanted to decorate it with this really cute orange pom-pom on the front pocket, so I attached that to the backpack. Honestly, I'm so happy with the results. Look how cute the embroidered backpack look. I'm obsessed, I adore it. So first I am adding in the folder. This folder by the half of the school will be full of homework, so I'm very excited for that. Next, I'm adding my textbooks and the notebooks that we did together. I'm also adding in my planner, the BTS pouch with all the extra stationery, my pencil case, and I also will be keeping a water bottle inside. Here I'm putting the notebook, the pouch, the hand sanitizer, and my keys. And you guys, this is everything that I packed for my back to school year. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram. I love you, crafts. Bye! This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. If you have anything else to say, just bye! And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crafts!